Welcome guys, today's episode has it all. Crashes, road rage moments, incidents and everything else. So sit back, relax and enjoy this new episode. First situation that we have here is a rollover crash, turned into a hit and run. It all happened before 3:30 Wednesday morning on Front Roads at Shepherd Avenue. Police have not yet revealed details, but it's known that car somehow rolled over from the southbound front and came to rest against the north side curb. It is not known if anybody is hurt. After the crash, the driver tried to run and hide in nearby backyards east of the crash, but he was being caught by police. Here in this situation that comes from Big D dashcam videos, we have two deer that run out in front of him. Every time when you're driving somewhere near the woods or where animals have their activities, we should always be 200% more careful. And I should just tell, well done for Big D on quick reactions there. As here we have situation that comes to us from A62 Dave. Changing lanes, Speedy Gonzalez on the right nearly collides with the guy on the left. At least the guy on the left is attempting to follow most of traffic laws, while guy on the right just doesn't care about it. In this footage, the driver of Kia Sportage started overtaking a few kilometers away from this very spot. An elderly man was driving an old domestic car and also tried to start overtaking, got scared and drove into a ditch, as it was described. All body parts of the right side of the car were damaged and he was pulled out of the ditch with a jerk cable.